Josefina. Yeah. We have her co-host.
No.
We have her co-host. We have her. Okay, we have. Okay. Mommy, can you please tell us what you were making?
So I'm making some potatoes.
Okay.
So this is a Colombian recipe.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's like a snack.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Papa Aborrajada.
Papa Aborrajada. You got some. Right.
So you have to eat it with some ají.
Okay.
Because if you don't eat it with ají, it's not Papa Aborrajada.
Okay.
Yo, you know what we miss?
What?
The Coke.
See?
Oh, that's Coke.
That's why she's the co-host.
For that way.
Smart. You smart.
Fuck you. So you see, I put.
So what did you mix with it?
So I put some flour.
Okay.
Eggs.
Some flour. Some eggs.
Some garlic powder.
Okay, we have some garlic powder.
A little bit milk.
Some corner store milk. Okay.
And some eggs. They are from the village.
Okay, village from the eggs.
Yeah. We have a funny story about them because we broke the first one and we have to buy the another one. Yeah.
You guys funny. And you have some pepper over here too, I see.
Yeah, that's what.
And what is this co-host? What have you made over here?
Okay, no.
Oh, assistant. She said assistant. Oh my God. Okay, so what do you have over here, assistant?
Okay, so it's onion.
Okay.
It's just like this onion, right? It's the white one, this one.
Ah.
And the other one is
Uh-huh.
like the long one.
Okay.
¿Cómo se dice cilantro?
Cilantro?
Yeah,
You just said it.
Yeah, cilantro.
Okay.
Half cilantro, tomato, salt, this, and Greek, and this.
Okay, we're gonna have to cut you off and go to the chef and see how she. Okay. So that's considered a salsa, right?
Yeah, like.
All right, cool.
And here I make up some rice.
Oh, okay. We have some leftover rice.
No, I didn't today.
You just made. Oh, it smells
Yeah,
fresh.
I made it
Okay,
this.
okay, chef.
And
Can I please?
chicken
Can I
again,
please?
leftover
Okay.
chicken.
Okay. So what are you doing now? Oh, that's the batter. Okay, so you cut up some potatoes already.
You have to cook them.
How long?
Like when they are done, like when they are like little soft, not too much because they are going to break.
Okay.
When you fry them. Just leave them out.
And
And this is your potato.
Ah, okay, we're gonna see her make a fresh batch though.
Oh my God. That's so good.
See you make a fresh batch. What? No.
Thank you.
No. You know I can't eat.
So tomorrow, my mother here, he has a biscuit.
You better no, they better not come here for real.
Te voy a guardar una
Okay, now she's putting
guárdalas.
oh.
Guárdalas porque ya.
Now she turns it inside.
esta y usted también.
Ahí ya
You have to teach me how to spell this because I don't know how to spell it. Nice. So how long do you leave it in the pot?
Until they are like a little.
Like toasted brown?
Not brown, like yellow. It has to
Oh,
be
like yellow. Oh, okay.
You see,
Yeah,
if they are so soft,
they'll just break in it, yeah, right?
¿Me puede hacer una otra masita? Gracias.
What else did you make?
Masitas.
What's masita?
It's just this fry.
Just fry this.
Just fry this.
Oh.
It tastes like a pancake.
Okay, chef. You're a chef now. What? What's the face for? What? And then we come out with this. So how do you like your meal?
It is amazing.
It's amazing.
And you don't have like no spice tolerance, but this is really, really, really,
It's
really
banging. Look at him poking out.
Yo,
Hey, yo, it's round
Finish
4.
all 3 of them?
No more for you. That's it.
Look at him.
It's almost done. We don't have. No, for real, we don't have more potatoes.
That's nice because it looks really yummy. How did you like your food?
That shit was delicious.
It was knocking? All right,
Yo,
cool.
now he speaks Spanish.
Uh-huh. How did you like your food, ma'am? Ooh, girl. Now I gotta cut you. I'm gonna leave you in there. Apply for a job. I'm gonna leave you in there. Oh, the food making him dance, son. You know what? So, gracias, chef. Anything else? Any advice?
Never feed James.
Never. Is that James?
Yeah, it's him.
Oh, okay. Who's that?